Hey guys, how's it going? We're gonna see if the train will go by here. There will be no horn because the game does not allow the train to hold the horn. Anybody know what kind of bell that is? Cause I'm stumped. Cause I thought it was an e-bell, but I'm not sure. It might be a mechanical bell, even though there's an e-bell on top of the crossing. As you might clearly see, let me get up close to it. Up close, look up. See, there's an e-bell on there, but it doesn't sound like an e-bell. It sounds like a mechanical bell. Yeah, clearly you guys can see e-bell, but there's no e-bell sound. It's a mechanical bell sound. Anybody know what kind of mechanical bell sound that is? Even though it's not a e-bell.